Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the most up-to-date AI tools of 2025 that are already making waves for creators, professionals, and teams. Whether you're working on content, coding, marketing, or productivity, one of these tools may just change the game for you. We'll explore Microsoft Copilot for productivity, Claude for smart conversational workflows, and Synthesia for video content generation. Then I'll show you how to pick the right tool for your needs and share tips to get started right. Let's dive in. First, why does this matter so much right now? Artificial intelligence isn't future tech anymore, it's now. These tools are rapidly shifting from cool experiments to essential parts of our everyday workflows. In 2025, we're seeing a massive leap forward with new agents, creative tools, and productivity platforms that don't just automate simple tasks, but entire work. Think about the trend of agentic AI systems that can understand a goal and then independently plan and execute the steps to achieve it. It's like having a team of super smart assistants working for you 24/7. So, if you're still doing everything the old-fashioned way, you might be losing valuable time, creative energy, and your competitive edge. Staying updated isn't just a good idea, it's becoming a necessity. So, let's get into it. Here are 3 standout tools that are redefining what's possible. First up is Microsoft Copilot. You've probably heard of it, but its integration into the Microsoft 365 ecosystem is where it truly shines. Imagine you're in Word, staring at a blank page. You can just ask Copilot to draft a proposal based on a few bullet points, or you're in Excel, drowning in data. Copilot can analyze it, create charts, and identify key trends for you in seconds. It's built right into the apps you already use: Daily Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams. It's a productivity assistant that helps with drafting, summarizing, coding, and automation. For anyone who regularly creates documents, builds spreadsheets, or manages team communication, this tool is a lifesaver. It cuts down on all that repetitive work, letting you focus on the strategic, creative parts of your job. Next, let's talk about Claude from Anthropic. While many AI models focus on just generating text, Claude is designed for complex, conversational work. What does that mean? It excels at understanding context over long conversations, processing huge documents, and helping you reason through complicated problems. For example, you could upload a 100-page legal document and ask Claude to summarize the key risks and obligations. Or you could use it as a brainstorming partner to refine a business strategy, with it remembering every point you've made. Its real strength is in its reliability and its focus on being helpful and harmless. If your work involves deep analysis, research, or any task that requires a smart, conversational partner who can handle a massive amount of information, Claude is a fantastic choice. It's like having an incredibly intelligent research assistant on call. Our third tool is a game changer for anyone creating video content: Synthesia. This platform lets you create professional-looking videos with AI avatars, all from text. Think about it: no more booking studios, hiring actors, or spending hours filming and editing. You just type your script, choose an avatar, select a background, and Synthesia generates a high-quality video with a realistic-looking person speaking your words. This is huge for creating training materials, marketing videos, or corporate communications quickly and at a fraction of the cost. The best part is, you can update your videos just by editing the text. Need to make a small change? No need for a reshoot. And with support for over 120 languages, you can easily create content for a global audience. For content creators and businesses, this tool unlocks a new level of efficiency in video production. So, with all these amazing options, how do you choose the right tool for you? It really comes down to identifying your biggest pain point. Are you spending too much time on administrative tasks and paperwork? Then a productivity assistant like Microsoft Copilot is probably your best bet. Do you need to analyze large volumes of text or need a partner for complex problem solving? Claude is your go-to. Or is creating video content a major bottleneck for your team? Synthesia could revolutionize your workflow. Start by mapping out your daily tasks and see where the most friction and repetition occur. That's usually the best place to introduce an AI tool. Don't try to adopt everything at once. Pick one tool that addresses a clear need and start there. Once you've picked a tool, here are a few tips to get started. First, begin with a small, low-stakes project. Don't try to automate your most critical workflow on day one. For example, use Copilot to draft an internal memo before you use it for a major client proposal. Second, learn how to communicate with the AI. The more specific and clear your instructions or prompts, the better the result will be. Think of it as learning to delegate to a new team member. And finally, always review and refine the AI's output. These tools are incredibly powerful, but they are assistants, not replacements for your own judgment and expertise. Use them to create a first draft, generate ideas, or handle the heavy lifting. But always bring your unique human touch to the final product. And that's a wrap on our tour of some of the most exciting AI tools of 2025. We've seen how they can boost productivity, enhance creativity, and streamline entire workflows. The key is to start exploring and find what works best for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? See you in the next one.